Hey everyone, this is Quantum here and welcome back to another episode of the ExploreOSS series, where we explore awesome open source projects one video at a time every Saturday. So without any delays, let's get started. Also, I'm seeing like not every one of you is watching the complete videos, so we'll try to keep this one short. And as always, just subscribe the channel if you're liking this series and you want to see more such content. So as you can see, we are on the trending page of the GitHub, and today while exploring this trending section, I found out this repo, which I think is worth sharing. The Build Your Own X. It starts with the very first picture of Richard Feynman and his phrase that what I cannot create, I cannot understand. So which basically promotes practical learning. So anything you are trying to learn, if you can create demos and you can do it yourself, then you will understand it better. So if I want to summarize this repository in short, I can say that this repository provides a compilation of different tutorials and which are article based, blogs or even videos for building different things. So as you can see, the table of contents such as a 3D renderer, augmented reality, BitTorrent client, a game, network stack, neural networks, physics engine, operating system, text editor. So basically all of these things are like some complete you can say applications which can be used by anyone. So let's say if you start in the tutorials part, build your own 3D render. So there they have a tutorial for using C++ and OpenGL, and then you can use the raycasting engine of Wolfenstein 3D. Then we are building a 3D modeler in Python. So similarly, you can see like if you want to do something related to augmented reality, they have the tutorials available here. And then you have blockchain and crypto too. So you can build one in Golang, Crystal, C#, Python. Next up, if you want to build your own bot, you can use these tutorials to start learning how these bots are built. So you can see like the Rust, a bot for StarCraft in Rust, C or any other language. Then they have build your own command line tool using Golang and Nim. Now if you want to get into creating databases and how these databases are built from scratch, then they have tutorials for you. Next up, if you want to build your own virtual machine, front-end library, basically it's all in JavaScript. Next, if you want to make your own game, they have these video tutorials and they have in C#, you can do it in Golang, and like many other different things. Next up, we have the neural networks, like the optical character recognition using Python. So basically, this is a repository for all the developers who are just starting out, and like basically some intermediate level developers who have a good understanding of some programming language and they are looking for some projects. So if you have something in mind that if you want to build something, then come check this repo, and if you can, and I think I'm sure that you can find out some projects of your choice. You can even build your own programming language. So a search engine in CSS. So this one is like quite weird. You can see like this is a Medium blog. So as I said, like this repository is a compilation of blogs, articles and videos. So this is an April Fool's joke actually. They have a live demo. Okay, so what basically they did was there's a tool called Algolia, which is you can say a cloud-based search engine which you can integrate in your websites and applications. So they just built a CSS, which is the front-end part of that search engine, and connected it to Algolia. So that's how they built a search engine in CSS. Next up, if you want to build your own text editor, you can use Python, Ruby, C++, or C. Okay, so here we come to the end. I think this repository is pretty cool, and if you are like an intermediate developer and looking for some projects, do come to this repository and check it out. And I would like to give a shout out to this person here. Okay, Daniel Stefanovic. So he is basically the main author of this repository, and then we have some other contributors too. You can see here. So big shout out to all of these guys for having this compilation ready for all the developers present here. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. We'll end this video here. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your other developer friends. Maybe they'll find some new projects for themselves. Let's end with this quote again. What I cannot create, I do not understand. Thank you.